Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Fiorenzato espresso machine. Now this machine is here without the case or anything, so we cannot see the case or any of the machine, but we can see the machine itself. You can see the boiler, the pump, the control box, the relay, all those little things, and we over here you can also see the heating element. Replace this heating element, this one basically blow up, as you can see right here. Otherwise that was inside the boiler. We clean it up, replace it with a newer one, and the newer one comes with 2 prongs instead of 4. Leave the other 2 prongs in there just in case if the owner wants to install a 4-prong heat element. And yeah, that's all we did. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings to this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm gonna do it manually as I don't know how the customer programmed this. Stop it right there, and this time it's going to be drip coffee. As you saw, the flow was really fast coming out of the portafilter. Need to be tampered a little bit harder and probably use a much finer grind. Flow coming out from the group head is a nice steady stream, looking great, and steam from the steamer one is nice and strong, as you can see right here. Excellent steam. Hot water for this machine as well. Has an excellent steady stream coming out of the one, working excellent. So there you have it, Fiorenzato working once again and heating up. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.